In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your PS5 controller. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you might want to reset it because maybe it's not working properly or anything like that. It's actually very easy to do, and you're going to have your PlayStation on for this. But if you want to unpair it, reset it, and then just start it again, what you could do is turn around, turn your controller around, and you're going to see like the little Sony logo towards the bottom, and then next to it, you're going to see a circle. So what you're going to need is a very small tiny pin, like the ones that you would use for like a SIM card or something like that, and poke that down into that little circle hole right next to the R where Sony is, and then basically you're going to feel a little click. Hold that down for about 5 seconds. That's going to reset and disconnect your controller from your PS5. And then what you're going to have to do is then use a USB-C wire to, connect it to the, controller, and then the other end of it into your console, and then just press your PlayStation button again. And then that should literally just make it connect to your console, and then it will be good to go again. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.